Splendid village, eh? Well, this leads the way.
Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground. Persuasion, ladies.
Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
I am not chicken. I will not come.
I'm the mother-in-law.
What may I offer for these hearty eggs? Everyone an egg layer. Hey there, you big rat.
Quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the round. Don't you, boy?
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber. Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens a Davy Jones.
It's the treasure hunter, sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it, nor this here key neither.
Have a little old time romp with old Bill, eh? Come on now, be a nice little pussycat.
Do help yourself to a treat. Small one. Drink out and be part of the show. Oh, yes, it's a fine treasure indeed.
What's up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales at Disney's Magic Kingdom. I love this ride. It's such a classic, awesome dark ride. I love being able to bring you guys these ride POVs, shows, events, vlogs. If there's something that you guys would like to see more of, or even something new you'd like to see from the channel, let us know in the comments. The most liked comment from our previous video of Kumba Roller Coaster at Busch Gardens, Tampa comes from Lacey Alicia. She says, do you even get a thrill anymore? I would imagine riding them all the time versus once or twice a year would get repetitive. You actually do make a good point. It is still pretty thrilling, but it is mostly fun. I literally never stop having fun riding these roller coasters. Though they may be less scary, I still think it's a blast riding these rides. The top like comment on this video will be read on our next. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.